Hello and welcome to your DC area real estate market report for July of 2023. My name is Edward Slavis with the Slavis Group of LPT Realty, and let's begin as always with interest rates. Our data here is from Bank Rate. As you can see, the 30-year fixed, that top light blue line, is now back above 7%. It's been fairly consistent there now for just about a month. We do not anticipate many changes in the next 4 months until at least after the election, the Fed not wanting to seem political and putting its finger on the scale in either direction. That said, the most recent report from the Fed 2 days ago is that inflation continues to look like it is tamed. So if we have 4 more months of good data on the inflation front, then we can expect these rates to come down, hopefully Q1 of next year, but time will tell. For now, though, we're right about 7%. This is the national average from Bank Rate. Our clients are seeing numbers usually around 6.5, sometimes with a point, sometimes without, all depending upon one's credit, down payment, etc. This chart right here shows all the new listings for all property types in the Washington, D.C. metro area for the last 3 years. We were cautiously optimistic that this would continue, the numbers would continue to increase from the previous year. As you can see, in June, they were down from May and April. That is not that uncommon. Seasonally, March, April, May have the most listings. We would have liked to have seen an increase there. So this is the year-over-year change. As you can see, the most recent data point here dropped underneath that thick black line, which means it's less than the previous April. So less than the previous month and the previous year. So not as many listings, at least not this month, are coming on the market. Next month we could see higher, and it could just be 1 month of data. Hopefully it's not a trend. We want to see more listings coming on the market. For this chart, we've broken out, again, the last 3 years. This is the median home sale broken out by property type. So the red line is detached homes, the blue is all properties, and the yellow is condos. All 3 of these, even condos, are sloping up and to the right, meaning the properties month after month, year after year, are getting more expensive as that median home sale price increases. In the same chart year over year, you can see there were a few months here or there, more so with condos than with all home types and single family homes. But only a few months was it below that thick black line. So the median sale price in 2024 was higher than in 2023, was higher than in 2022, which was higher than in 2021. So the median home sale price, again, this is only homes that sell, is higher, consistently month after month. Let's look at price per square foot though. Here again is the median price per square foot of all the homes that sold, broken out by property type. Condos have a higher price per square foot because they're a smaller property, so a smaller denominator. Obviously, the red line representing detached homes sells for more, but it's a lower price per square foot because bigger homes. Bottom line though is all 3 of these lines again are moving up as they move to the right. So the median price per square foot, month after month, again, not counting a few months there in the center of this chart, keep getting higher and higher month after month, year after year. Closed sales, though, are down. Here, again, we've broken out by property type. The number of homes that are actually selling is also down. So you see more homes selling in 2021 than 2022, than 2023, and now in 2024. We saw over the last 5 months, 2 of them saw an increased number of closed sales over the previous year. But now we're back down below. We'll wait to see how the July numbers look in our August report. Again, hopefully we see all these in the positive, which means that more of the homes are selling. So what does all this mean? Are more homes being listed? This month, no. We're always want to repeat that one data point does not make a point. We care more about trends. So this month, no, fewer homes are being listed. Are home sales increasing? Well, if you're talking about prices, yes. The total number of sales, no. So for sellers, we can't take for granted that your house is going to sell. We need to spend a lot of time talking about the preparation, how we strategically price it, how we market it, how we showcase it in terms of open houses, what follow-up we do, etc. If that is done well, your house will still sell for the price you want. As we saw, home sale prices now are higher than the last 3 years. It is still a seller's market. Will it continue to heat up? We hope so. But it is still a seller's market. In fact, because there's so little inventory, if your house is on the market, you may be the only house on the block for sale and don't have that competition, which is nice. If you or somebody you know is interested in selling, by all means, give us a call. We'd love to have a private consultation and home evaluation and let you know, again, how we can get your price or higher in this market. For buyers, we still stand by this. Now is the time. While it is still a seller's market based on just the sheer lack of inventory, buyers now have greater leverage. A lot of the homes, as we saw, there are fewer homes being listed, even fewer homes selling. It means a lot of the homes are not selling successfully, and those are homes that a buyer would be able to purchase, have an inspection, have all the protections, all the leverage you want to negotiate a great deal. Interest rates are, of course, higher. They're now 7%. I remember when they were 2.5%. One of the things we can offer is through our preferred lenders, we have the option of refinancing at no upfront cost for as many times as you want for 3 years with one of our preferred lenders. So we know the interest rates are going to be higher. Anyone buying now, or nearly anyone buying now, is planning on refinancing in a year or 2 and or 3, again, as the interest rates do come down. So this will help take a little bit of the sting out of that. We also offer a buyer satisfaction guarantee. Happy to share terms and conditions about that, but we want to make sure that you are in love with the house that you buy. And if you or someone you know is interested in buying in this market, whether it's as a primary residence or an investment property, please contact us for a free consultation. That is your market report for July of 2024. Hope you found that informative. Please give us a like and a follow. Any questions at all that you have, do not hesitate to reach out. And of course, if you or someone you know is looking to buy or sell in Washington, D.C., in the greater D.C. area, we'd love to be a reference for you. Thanks for watching.